Because again, this is a muscle car. So I don't know. You guys help me with that. Get down in those comments, and help me decide what I'm going to do with that. YouTube, what's up? This is Ace Rollin. Sorry I haven't made a video in a couple days, you guys, but I've been fighting these allergies. But I'm back. I got the camera turned on today, and man, listen. Space Ghost has been coming along so good, you guys. Thanks for watching those videos. We'll be installing the lights, installing the brakes, and all the other stuff I've done to this car. I appreciate all of you guys. I appreciate the comments. I really do. And all the people that took on that project and putting them lights in, you reached out to me and I was able to help a lot of people out there. That was awesome, you guys. I appreciate that. But look, drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, you guys, because look, Space Ghost is not finished. It's a couple things that's getting ready to happen to this car that I want to talk to you guys about. The first thing I want to talk to you guys about is the roof. Now, I mentioned before that I was going to get the roof wrapped on this car, and I'm still getting that done. As a matter of fact, I've been working with Focus Wraps. I've been working with Tyler, and man, I requested something that is near and dear to me and very important to me that I'm getting put on a roof of Space Ghost. And this is going to be amazing. You guys, listen, it's going to be either you love it or you hate it, but to me, it's a personal thing that I'm putting on my car, and I had to work with the graphic designer. I had to work with Tyler, well, his graphic designer, and Tyler at Focus Wraps, and we are going to get that done. We're in the final stages of wrapping up the design, and it is going to be amazing. And when I share the reveal of the wrap for you guys, I'm going to give you the whole backstory as to the reason why I decided to put this on my car and why it means so much to me. So more to come on that. It's exciting to me. That's exciting news. This car is really coming to the finish line, and this is going to be amazing. And you guys, please stay tuned for that, because it's going to be a really great video when I finally reveal the roof wrap for this car. It's not your average thing that everybody else does. It's going to be amazing. But enough about that. That's it. Okay, enough about that. But so I'm gonna walk around with the camera a little bit, but I wanted to talk to you guys about something I've been thinking about doing to this car. Okay, let's turn on the lights. Let's check it out. Ooh, look at that, you guys. Ooh, that looks so awesome. Every time I cut them, oh man, it looks so good. I'm so happy with that, with the way that turned out. That's so awesome. But it's something I want to get you guys' opinion on. I've been going back and forth on this, and I'm not sure. Then I'm sure. Then I say, okay, let's just do it. Then again, I say, I don't know. So listen, check this out. I have been thinking about doing some upgrades to the interior of the car. And one of the things that I've thought about installing was the starlight roof in this car. Now, as you see, it's pretty dark in there. You probably can't really see a whole lot in there. I don't have a light or anything. I'm not gonna put a light in there. You guys know what it is. But the whole issue is, this is a muscle car. I'm not sure if the Starlight interior fits the DNA of a muscle car, or is it designed for just luxury cars? I'm toying with that. I really am, and I'm not sure about it. I mean, getting it put in is not expensive. It's not a big deal. It actually will look pretty good because this car does not have a sunroof, and I'll be able to light up the entire headliner in this car. It would look great. I've seen a couple cars done at the Tuna Galleria, and they turned out fantastic. I want to mention my guy Sean. He got the Mini Cooper that's got the Starlight roof, and also Tyler has the Starlight roof that's working on my wrap. He has it in his Focus, and it, man, boy, it looks good. I know it will look good here, but I'm not sure if it fits this car. Because again, this is a muscle car. So I don't know. You guys help me with that. Get down in those comments, and help me decide what I'm going to do with that. Anyhow, let's talk about what I got for Christmas. Now, as you guys know, this is the toy shop. This is where my 1LE lives and my N109 custom motorcycle lives. It's covered up right now. We're gonna get to that. I promise you guys, we are going to get to this bike soon. Now, a few things I got for Christmas for my family. I want to share with you guys, if you don't mind. I got this cool Camaro sign right here that I put up the other day. Got my House Targaryen flag right here that I got for Christmas. Shout out to all my Game of Thrones people. Y'all already know it's getting ready to go down on April 14th. Get down in the comments with that too, so we can chop that up. It's getting ready to go down. Y'all already, I ain't even got to tell y'all that. That's a whole nother video. So if you look over here, I got my sign that says Dad's Garage, which is cool. It's got the nice lights on there and everything. So that was cool. That was another gift for my wife for Christmas. So I decided to come in here and finally put that stuff up on the walls. Let me know what you guys think about that too. So listen, I'm not gonna hold you guys up too much longer. I just wanted to drop this video on you all so you guys can help me decide what to do next with this car. So that's it, you guys. I just want to drop this video today and let you guys know what's coming next for Space Ghost. And also wanted you guys' opinion on that roof liner. I really want to know what you guys think about that. Am I thinking about it too much? Am I worried about it too much? I don't know. You guys help me decide. Whatever you guys decide is exactly what I'm gonna do with this car next. So you guys get down in the comments and help me decide what the heck to do. I just said decide 20 times, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I'm Ace Rollin, and I'm rolling out.